Have you ever wondered where the water on our earth came from? The oceans, the rivers, even the drops that fall from our eyes? Where did it all begin? It sounds like a simple question, doesn't it? But the answer takes us billions of years back, to a time when our planet was nothing like today. No blue seas, no clouds, no rain, just a fiery rocky world spinning under the young sun. Scientists believe that when Earth first formed, around 4.5 billion years ago, it was a ball of molten rock. The surface was so hot that no water could exist. It would have instantly turned into vapor. So, where did all the water come from? Let's travel back in time and find out. Far away in space, icy objects called comets and asteroids were moving through the solar system. These weren't just rocks, they carried tiny amounts of ice. When they crashed into the young Earth, they brought with them frozen water and lots of it. Billions of such impacts slowly began to cool our planet and filled it with the first traces of water. But that's not the whole story. Deep beneath Earth's surface, there were volcanoes. Thousands of them. As they erupted, they released steam and gases trapped inside. That steam rose to the sky, formed clouds, and for the first time ever, it rained. And it didn't stop for thousands of years. That endless rain filled the hollows and valleys of the earth, forming the first oceans. Long before science explained this, ancient civilizations had their own beautiful stories about the origin of water. In India, the Rig Veda describes water as the mother of all life, existing before everything else. In Greek mythology, the god Oceanus was believed to be the source of all rivers and seas. And in many cultures, people believe that the world began from a cosmic ocean, a vast sea from which all life was born. Even though these stories sound different, they share one truth, that water is sacred. It gives life, connects everything, and deserves respect. Today, scientists have found that every drop on Earth is older than Earth itself. Yes, the hydrogen in water molecules was formed during the Big Bang, over 13 billion years ago. So, when you drink a glass of water, you're tasting something that's been traveling through space and time. From the stars to the comets to your hands. Water didn't just appear, it was earned, drop by drop, through fire, collisions and time. And even today, every river, every cloud and every tear is a reminder of that cosmic journey. So next time you see rain falling from the sky, remember, it's not just water. It's a story of survival, patience and connection between the stars and us. Every drop of water is older than we think and more precious than we imagine. So let's care for it as if we're protecting a piece of the universe itself. If you found this story fascinating, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, because every drop, every river and every ocean around us carries a story billions of years ago. Until next time, stay curious, keep explaining, and also remember to value the wonders that give us life. Signing off, Page Pulse by Lee. See you next time.